If you want to enable or disable color correction on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you are to open up your settings. Now we are to scroll down to our accessibility tab. In our accessibility tab, we are to locate our vision enhancements. Here in our vision enhancements, let's locate our color correction. Tap here, and to enable it, let's tap on the switch. Now you can see how it changes right here on the preview. Also, you can set up color correction shortcut. You can set up your intensity of your color correction, right? And here you can choose the color correction itself, such as Do Tan, Pro Tan, right? 310, and Grayscale. When you're done with your color correction, simply tap on the switch, so it will say off, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.